barely got out of the damn house. It's already beeping. You hear it? That's like 3 times now. There's already people wearing red and black. There you go again. Do it again. Do it again. This shit ain't working on me. I'm fucking laughing. I'm laughing at your asses. Anyways, I want to put the pails away. Bing, 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 bing. Really? And then, see? Then, I'm standing here. It's too hot to sit on the porch right now. It's like 80-something degrees. And that bench is going to be scorching hot. I'm not sitting there. So, I already had one red and black person wearing clothes. Red and black. There's a red card there. And there's already a red card in the corner. Somewhere. I just saw it. I heard when you press the button for the alarm 4 times. Oh, the perps are in for a treat today. I wear a Looney Tunes shirt with camouflage pants. My appointment's coming up soon. I gotta get picked up. I'm not waiting in the house because then they'll leave without me. They're like Uber. They'll leave you hanging. Let's see any colors. What's that? It's a thank you color. Nothing. Nothing, honey. Again. Come on, do it over here. Do it where I can see you. That is new. It's funny all these people come out at the same time as me. And I've never seen it before. It's suspicious at all. Especially if you're targeted. Yo, let me see your ring. You got a Freemason ring? Let me see it. I don't know if I'm going to Dollar Tree. It's 500 degrees and I got asthma. I don't really want to, walk in the sun. So, we'll see. If I feel up to it, I'll go to Dollar Tree today. It's been there for years. It's not going nowhere. I would have to go on a day where it's not too damn hot. So I don't want to fall and go into the hospital. Heat stroke. I know the perps will love that. It's too bad for them. Still beeping. Beep 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 beep. Yeah, Mama do it too. They don't like that either, I noticed. Oh, here comes Smokey Robinson as a woman. She was another one. She's a witch too. One day was in the backyard, and she flings the door open, so in her backyard, so his backyard, just to see who was out here. It was out there, and she looked at me. She went, "Oh shit!" And then she went back in. She gave me a look like, "Oh, like that." I was like, "What do you fucking think is here?" They always think I'm going in their backyard. No. There's a big fence in between us. I actually stay on my side alone, unlike anybody else. just put his mask on or something. Oh well. Mildly possessed people should be allergic to me by now. I already told Jezebel I was gonna beat her, kill her actually. But she's the one that makes me fucking drop things all the time. So that bitch is still here. I don't think she's in my body anymore. Because I'm not getting sick at all, but I do think she's around, like in the house somewhere. I hope he gets extra angry every time I put on a prayer video to bless the house. And then I clean, hope she gets even madder about that. Look at Penny. First a bottle and then a penny. Hey, wait a minute. Oh. I thought that was from a different country. I definitely was there, but no. What time is this guy gonna come by? I mean, bruh. Just tell me you're a perp already. 3 times. You know, when you see that ring, it's got a Freemason symbol on it. He went to somebody's house to pick up a sticker. You know, all of a sudden, 3 times coming around. Bruh. I wonder if that couple's gonna come back again. Well, they really, honestly, they should be both wearing the colors. You know? What is this guy doing? He went across the street from it and then came back around. He was signaling to somebody. He saw his hand out, right? And now he's back over here. Beep, beep. He's taking his ring off now. Perp. Your phone's in the other pocket, dummy. That's 5 times now. He's not perp, okay. Really? He's fidgeting with a ring. That means something's in that ring. Oh, now I know where you live. I guess he's one of the new tenants that are in that house. The house just got sold not too long ago. So they moved perps in the neighborhood. We got Booty Bandit across the street. Those are rentals. Like Douche over here, his parents bought that house from Santina, my ex-friend. And now the whole family's living there. And I guess his children come home early today. Good. I don't have to see them when I go to Dunkin'. they was staring at me when they come past the window. They point and stare because they're the asshole over there told them to do it. They come outside and make faces and laugh. I mean, come on. So, where are all the perps at? They're such cowards. They come by in the morning when I'm not out because they want me to get angry and come out and run out and scream. I'm pretty sure if you don't live there, they want me to see the stuff too. You know, every once in a while I want this car to come early. And then it comes way late. Or on time, you know. Or it doesn't come on at all. But that's gang stalking too, you know. When you have an appointment somewhere, like a doctor appointment or a hair appointment, nails, whatever it is, job interview, they never get on time to you. Or if they do get on time to you, they're never get on time to the actual place we have to go. Yeah, usually people leave stuff here in the tree. There's a piece of bread. I saw that bread the other day. It was on the sidewalk though. I don't know who kicked in the street. Oh God, can I go already? You know when you want to get something done? Number 7. That guy's way out of town. They live here. Yeah, him and his friend had the stereo on in the car. Oh, I gotta fucking wait here an hour? Like, what the hell, man? I'm supposed to be there by 1. So they better fucking hurry up. Ay, ay, ay. May 12th, 2023. So now the kids have to come outside to see what I'm doing. They tell them to report back. They tell them to go outside. And you see how you go outside and you watch her, see what she's doing, let me know what she's doing, what time you saw her. You know, I don't know if they know any better or not because, you know, her parents are telling them they were bad. I don't know if they're doing it just because daddy said so, you know, they want to listen to him, or because, you know, they want to do it too, you know, they like doing it. I think it's a little bit of both. Anyway, I just got the text message that they're on their way. What is taking so long? Some clovers. I don't know how anybody's phones fully closed. I always look to them. I always see 3. Always 3. They're pretty though, either way. I mean, I know they're all weed and all that. I have a full clover encased in a necklace. Oh, there he is. Come on, where's the car? He's wearing a fucking hoodie in this 85 degrees weather. Always gotta see what I'm doing. What the fuck do these people think I'm doing? Oh, you know the guy in that car that just passed? Because they all know each other. I don't know where the hell this car is. Car's annoying. It's annoying because, you know, the longer you wait for these cars, like where you have to go, the longer these fucking perps come out and spy on you. If they get stuck on the highway, they're supposed to call you, or at least text, you know. They have the hands-free devices. Ugh. Oh, look who it is. Picture taker. I always have to take a picture in front of my house, right? I better go in front of your house to take a picture of myself. He lives here. He lives a couple doors down. Always wearing the same fucking clothes. Because you know he don't shower or wash his clothes. There's a laundromat a block away, so he could wash his clothes. If mommy and daddy don't do it for them, they don't do it for themselves. Oy vey. So now he's gonna stand out there the whole time and glance over at me every fucking minute. Honking your horns. I saw that. I heard that. Like I didn't hear that. I heard that. Okay, he's coming back now. Just want to take a picture again? I'll catch him in real time then, like I did with that lady. Where's this fucking car? Took a picture of me again from my house again, I'll kick your ass. I hope you fucking heard that. Tell your handler I said that too. I know you hear that. I know you have your headphones on, but I know you heard my ass. You were right near me. Douchebag. Come on with this fucking car. What is taking so long? They do this on purpose. They make you wait and wait and wait. He's laughing. He's laughing at me. He's taking a picture of me, see? He took a picture of me with the flash. You saw that shit? He runs away. Coward. What are you gonna do with that picture? Isn't that funny? He came out because he saw me. He takes a picture. He takes a video of me. Okay, I'm standing here minding my own business though, but yeah, I'm doing something wrong, I guess, right? In your eyes. Where is this fucking car? This car is so damn slow. I could have left by now, and I wouldn't have to deal with these assholes, but yeah. Come on. Alright, videotaping him. I saw that he was doing it to me. Ugh. This is why I want to leave early, so I don't have to see these people. But they make it to a point where we have to see them. We have to look at them. That's the problem. How about it be the other way around? Yeah, take your baby and go in the fucking house. Where is this fucking car, though? Seriously. It's like ridiculous. The traffic police are. Oh, God, they're annoying with these cars. I'm ready to go. I don't know if that was a street there or not. I don't know. I've never seen those ladies before. Damn, man. They're gonna make me late for my appointment, aren't they? Of course they are. He came out just to take a picture of his nieces and children or whatever the fuck they are. And then thought I was staring at him. That's why he took a picture of me. But yesterday was an empty bottle there. So I guess, you know, that's something new for me anyway. And I want to make sure I get triggered in some way. I don't know what that's supposed to trigger. What do we do with a bottle like that? Just put it in the recycle pail. I'm not gonna get mad and break it. That makes no sense. You know, what they wanted. That's the reaction they're looking for. He probably did it when I was in the house. And I thought I was gonna run out and yell at them. I don't do that no more. Because they're not worth it. That's why. You know what? If you really hate me that much for catching you on my porch, not you can sit on your own porch. Back in 2008, you're still pissed off about me catching you. Then you're the Looney Tunes for real. They want to make us seem like we're crazy. No, they are. I wish he would come to my house, take a picture in front of my house of himself. But I want to catch him in the act, because just sometimes the camera don't catch it. I'm surprised it caught her dumping something from her pocket. Very shocked with that, actually. So I think it was a bunch of sunflower seeds. She would never do that in front of her own house. They never do. That's costing forever. Car is taking forever. This one. Can I go now? I feel like I'm trapped here. I think that's the point. They want us to feel trapped and they don't pick us up early. And I had plenty of time, but still. What's the point? I wear the same clothes every day too. mask on when I do that noise. Good, you should be afraid of me. I think I'm doing something right. Yeah, Jezebel, when she's near you, she'll make you bump into things, drop stuff. She made me drop my fucking phone under my bed. So I didn't have tiles. I cursed that bitch out. I thought she was gonna make me late. So come out here, because, you know, they want the car to not show up or leave without me. So I'm gonna miss my appointment. I already know. And they're mad because I need my medication. I had the last refill at home, so I'm gonna need a new one. So they don't want me to get a new one. They want me to have seizures. So yeah, that's why they're gonna make me late. There's all these cars, and none of them are the cars supposed to pick me up right now. Really? What do these fucking assholes across the street think I'm doing waiting here? For nothing? I'm waiting to leave. I'm not gonna stay at home. Hear the beeping again? That's what they fucking do. They gotta get a life. I wish they would. I wish they would get a life. And like get out of mine. It's like ridiculous. I might have to call them. I could use one of those coffees right now. Give me that coffee. If I had my own car, I would get a coffee first and then go. Not allowed to drive. I guess it's for the best though, because they'd probably run me over anyway because of a big car accident. If I drove, so whatever. I mean, that's why they're mad too at me. They wanted me to drive so I could get run over or into bad accidents. I heard stories from the people who actually do drive. And it's funny too, because years ago, before I had my first seizure, I saw John, and I was in a car. I saw myself driving. I stopped at a stoplight, and I saw my ex-friend John walking past. And I was revving the engine to scare him. So I was laughing in the dream, but yeah. And I'm black. And that too, like every time I go out somewhere, I always see, you know, pregnant women with babies, because they know I can't have kids, that's why. They send these fuckers to me. I might have to call the company and see where the hell they're at. I missed my appointment. That sucks. I don't want to go back. Oh, come on. I can't believe these fucking people are still out here. This gang stalking shit is bullshit. Oh, God. I'm gonna have to call them. I'm gonna have to stop the video, call them, and I'll post the video after.